So this is a fairly new acquisition. I've had this for a while. Couple months I think now. This is a Hoover Decade 80 from 1989. Same year as the convertible high performance and the Concept 1. This thing definitely needs some work done to the brushwheel bearings, but I've got them freed up enough where it'll work for a short demonstration period, and then I'll just have to put some serious work into it, take it out to the workbench, take it all apart, and get those bearings cleaned and lubricated like I did to the convertible. But this was I got this from a Salvation Army up in Michigan. Richer town, better neighborhood. I'm guessing this was just some old person's vacuum and they passed away. It went into a home and the family decided to donate it. I had to put a belt in it. That's why I wasn't able to demonstrate it earlier. I didn't have the Hoover round belts. And then I put a bag in it as well. Paper bag, new old stock Hoover. That's about all it needed. It runs pretty good. The brush roll makes noise, but I wouldn't expect anything less from a brush roll from 1989 that is in need of bearing work, but without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate it. This does have the power surge, so I'll show the power surge too. And hopefully it continues working long enough to demonstrate, but I think it will. I've already run it through this room once. So I've already found the carpet setting. These Hoovers that like this carpet set to high. So there's nothing. Now I can kind of start to smell the belt getting hot, so I think that's about as long as I want to run this for until I really go through it. I'll probably make another video on it when I do go through it, but I just wanted to show it running and vacuuming and working. Yeah, that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one.